Math didn't just appear. It took thousands of years to invent, and it changed everything. And the crazy part? It didn't start in classrooms. It began as a survival trick and evolved into the language of the universe. Before math became symbols on paper, it lived in our hands, in bones, and in stones. Humans learned to count long before they learned to write. Picture this. You're in the Stone Age. 10 people, 9 pieces of food. Someone is going hungry. But who? So you invent a system. Counting. That tiny idea, one mark for one thing, was the spark. Math wasn't numbers yet. It was a tool to survive. Fast forward. Cities are booming. Trade is exploding. Now math isn't just helpful. It's the backbone of civilization. Mesopotamian merchants didn't just trade goods, they invented systems, weights, measures, and even a base 60 number system we still use for time. Math was helping cities run, but Egypt had a bigger problem. The Nile flooded. Fields vanished. No one knew where anything began or ended. So they invented geometry, earth measurement, and order returned. As civilization stabilized, math moved from fields and markets into ideas. People stopped asking only how math worked and started asking why. The Greeks took a wild turn. They didn't just use math. They asked, why does it work? Euclid invented proof. Math became the first language where truth doesn't depend on opinions, only logic. With proof, math gained something powerful, certainty. A truth proven once didn't fade with memory. It could outlive its creator and travel centuries. But one single idea, was still missing. And when it finally appeared, math exploded. In India, math needed a way to show nothing inside numbers. So they invented zero, not as emptiness, but as a number. And everything changed. With zero, math became flexible, place value mattered. Numbers could scale into the millions, and calculations became faster than ever before. Across the Islamic world, math met real life. Inheritance, law, astronomy. Numbers alone couldn't keep up. So scholars created algebra, a way to solve the unknown itself. Algebra turned math into language. Now problems didn't need exact numbers, only relationships. You could solve for anything, even what you couldn't see. We knew how to measure things that stood still, but the universe never stands still. So Newton and Leibniz built calculus, a way to measure change itself, and the modern world followed. With calculus, motion itself became measurable. Curves, falling apples, planets in orbit. The changing world finally had a language. Today, math is everywhere. Inside code, medicine, space travel, even the video you're watching right now. The world is noisy, messy, unpredictable. Math listens to the chaos, turns it into patterns. And those patterns help us act with confidence. Math always returns to people. Curiosity, questions, the urge to understand the world a little better than before. So the next time math feels boring, remember, it's not about numbers. It's the story of how humans learned to understand reality. And that story is still being written. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.